Hi artists! I hope you enjoyed Roy's house, and we're going to keep going and be inspired by the work of Roy Lichtenstein, specifically his work called Sunrise, which you saw at the beginning of this video at the end of the last video. Some of you may need a printout, which is totally fine. Your classroom teacher will have one of these for you if you need it. And they'll also be posted on Seesaw for you to use as an outline if you'd like to do your artwork digitally at home. We're going to do a step-by-step drawing of a sunrise, just like the one that we're looking at, and we're going to then add some color elements. So first step is to get to your sketchbook and hold it horizontally because the sun rises on the horizon. You're going to hold it the long way with the ribbing at the top. You're going to grab your good pencil. You're going to need a ruler and an eraser just in case. And I will be using Sharpie so that you can see my work. So the first thing is to start with the line of the ocean. And so the ocean is wavy. So we're just going to do a nice gentle wavy line almost at the bottom, but not quite. And next, we're going to add some cloud layers, and those are just kind of half ovals and waves, and you can be very free with doing these, but the key is that we want to leave room for our sun, which is going to be over here in the middle, and so we just dip down and our clouds will go up as we go up higher. Great. So the next part is our sun, and this is again not a full circle because when the sun rises you only see part of it. We'll just do a half circle, and if you need guidance you can trace a circle, a half circle, or you can also practice your letter C. And so your letter C would be like this. There you go. And it comes out a little wonky, that's okay. The next thing is to guide you are the rays of the sun. And the sun has lots of rays in Roy's work, and so we're going to try our best to do those too. So those lines go up and out from the sun, and they're kind of too close together. The first two are lined up like that, and then you allow for a little bit more space in between, and then you go to the next one and you make two lines. And you do it again, and you're going to repeat that all the way around the sun. Until you get to the other side. And you'll notice they get wider and skinnier, and that's all how the rays are. Are they equal in the sky? No. They can be all different sizes in the sky. So yours is going to come out different from mine, which is the way it should be. No two are alike. So I'm going to make my letter C a little bit wider here. And you can go back and do that because we're emphasizing the sun. All right, artists, the next thing you're going to do is add some waves. And those are kind of like giant snake-like lines that go across the bottom. And you can add as many or as few as you like. And that's it. So go back and tweak your work a little bit. Add some more clouds if you want. Fix your rays, fix the shape of your sun if you need to. Make sure you've got a nice sunny circle there. Your sun line should be nice and thick. And then you're going to go back and go over it with a Sharpie. So your black Sharpie will be in the classroom, and you'll have a chance to go over those lines today. Then you'll set your work aside until the next session when we add color. Have fun, artists.